I think one obvious way is, let's say you're attending an event of a particular professional who's, let's say, VP at a startup that you want to intern at, and you heard out their talk. The next obvious thing is that you reach out to that person on LinkedIn and email with the reference of that talk, right? You tell them that how you heard their talk on this particular conference and you enjoyed the talk and you would like to know more about their career path, their journey, their learning experience, and would like to have a word with you. In a large majority of these cases, people love to get positive feedback, right? If 1,000 people would have attended their conference, less than 10 would have written to them writing how well they spoke or how they enjoyed the thoughts that they shared in that conference. This kind of instant reach out after a conference is a wonderful way to connect with people, specifically when you're not asking for something. Another mistake that people make is that they write an email, okay, I'm looking for an internship. Can you give me an internship? No, I haven't taken a loan from you. Why would I give an internship to you? Neither are we relatives, nor are we friends, nor do I owe anything to you, right? So you cannot just, ask for something unless you have made a certain level of connect with it. That is something that needs to be understood at a networking level.